Amen.
Amen. Give God some praise.
Yes.
Amen. I'm going to say a child of God, with his mind made up, cannot be defeated. We are more than conquerors. We are victorious. Even through the storms of life. Amen.
Yes.
Psalms 37 and 5 says, commit thyself unto the Lord. Yes. Commit thyself unto the Lord. Amen. And trust also in Him. Sometimes we have a hard time doing that, and He said, all things shall come to pass. What shall come to pass? That storm you're going through shall come to pass. Your financial shape shall come to pass. Your home wrecking shall come to pass.
Yes.
You put your trust in Him, you make up your mind, and you are committed to God. Praise God. It shall come to pass. Amen. Romans 8 and 28. Y'all ought to know that in my heart.
Yes.
And we know.
That's right.
I said, and we know
Yes.
that all things, not some things. Amen. He said all things work together for the good to those that love Him and those that who are called according to His purpose.
Yes.
All things. And we know, I don't know about you, but I know. We say we know that all things work together for the good to those that love God.
Right.
Okay? All things means through the storm. All things means when it's good and calm.
Yes.
All things means when it's happy or it's sad. When it's bitter or when it's sweet. Amen. When it's sickness and in health. And in life and in death. All things work together.
Yes.
For those that love and trust in Him. Amen. Sometimes us Christians have a hard time realizing that, don't we?
Yes.
Come on. I said, don't we?
Yes. Amen.
Soon as something don't go our way. Soon as something starts going bad. Soon as we come off of the mountain and down in the valley. Amen. We start blaming God.
That's right. Amen.
Come on. We start blaming God. I'm going to tell you a little story about a little saint of God. Many years ago, out in San Francisco, California, when they had the big earthquake. Amen. It was a devastating time. In this city, there was rubble, there was destruction, there was debris everywhere. And this little old saint of God, probably about 90 years old, said she come out from in the rubble with her hands raised high.
Yes.
And she had a big old smile on her face. And her friend looked at her and said, what is wrong with you? Why how in the world can you smile at a time like this? That little old woman said, I can rejoice because I serve a God that is powerful enough to shake this world. I need some of that commitment. I need some of that commitment.
Amen.
At that time of devastation,
Amen.
that this little old saint of God was smiling and praising.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
And told her friend,
Glory to God.
I can rejoice
That's it.
because I serve a God that's powerful enough to shake this world.
Yes.
We got to praise Him through the storm. We got to get our minds made up. Our minds renewed. Our minds on God.
Yes.
And even when the storm is raging, He is our anchor.
Yes.
Amen.
That's right.
Oh my goodness. Then we come to the part for those that are called
Yes.
according to His purpose.
Purpose. Yes.
Not mine,
That's good.
not yours.
According to His. Yes.
That word called, let me preach on that just a second.
Amen. Come on now.
I get so tired of people saying the called ones, the elect, or the predestination. Let me tell you something. Don't never let nobody tell you that God already knew and already sent you to hell before you was born.
That's right.
That's right.
Well, God already knows before you're born where you're going. That ain't what that means.
That's right.
Let me preach it to you tonight.
That's right,
If that's what that means, John 3:16 means nothing.
That's right.
You preach it, Brother Ron.
Amen.
Amen.
John 3:16 said, "For God so loved the world."
Yes.
that he
Yes.
said, "Whosoever."
Yes. Amen.
Whosoever. Believe in him. Shall not perish but have everlasting. That's right.
Yes. Amen.
Preach on. Let me tell you what the election is tonight. The elect is the whosoever will.
Ooh, yes.
The elect is the whosoever will. The non-elect is the whosoever won't.
That's right. Amen. Amen.
Which one are you tonight? Which one are you?
Yeah.
Hey man, have you ever heard the saying about the flying pig when pigs fly? Never heard that saying? When pigs fly, that's what they said. When they said I told some of my old buddies that I'd done become a preacher, they said, "Come on with it now."
Yeah.
You're looking at a flying pig tonight.
Amen.
See, I ain't no pig no more. God brought me out the pig pen. I'm a sheep now.
Yes. Amen.
Let me explain about the called ones. Amen.
Yeah.
You walk up to a pig pen, there's 10 pigs standing there. You look down and say, "Hey, would y'all like to learn how to fly?" 9 of them said not interested. 9 of them said, "Oh no, we're not interested. We're satisfied and we're comfortable right here in this environment we're in." Listen to me.
Come on.
In the mire and the muck that we're in, we're satisfied.
That's right. Preach.
Well, one little pig looks up and said, "Yes, I'm tired of living like this." I'm ready to fly. That's the called one.
Yes.
Every single one of them had an invitation, but one of them cried out.
Yes.
All things work together for the good.
Glory.
That love Him,
Yes.
even through the storms.
Yes.
You're going through a storm today for a reason. If you're a child of God,
Yes.
There's got a reason for you going through that storm.
Yes.
It might be a test, but He's got a good reason.
Yes.
You just commit your ways to Him and trust Him. He'll see you through that storm.
Yes.
He don't bring you to it unless He brings you through it. Hey, there was a young boy that come to a church. He wanted to join the church. Brother, he didn't look like the rest of them. He didn't have his suits and ties. He had tattoos all over him.
Yeah, come
had
on
that
now.
T-shirt and them worn-out jeans. And the old deacon said, "Well, we got to talk a minute before you can join our church." Amen.
Amen.
The deacon said, "How did you come to know the Lord?" The young man's reply was, "God done His part, and I done mine."
Yes. Amen.
God done His part, And I done mine.
Amen.
The deacons weren't quite satisfied with that. And they said, all right,
Preach on.
I can listen to y'all.
I'm not through. And they said, well, what was God's part and what was your part? He said, God